Hi everyone, let's look at this question on the board. We're having this case of unknown basis. So let's look at how we can solve when an unknown base is given. I have two questions on the board. Question number 1 and 2. So I'm going to solve number 2 so that you can solve number 1 for me. So number 2, we have this. So we are going to express that in the power of the base. 5, 4, 3 in base n equal to 2, 4, 4 in base n plus 2, 5, 5 in base n. So, of course, we express this in the power of the base. If I do that, I will have 5 times n squared plus 4 times n to the power 1 plus 3 times n to the power 0 equal to 2 times n squared plus 4 times n to the power 1 plus 4 times n to the power 0 plus 2 times n to the power 2 plus 5 times n to the power 1 plus 5 times n to the power 0. This will give us 5n squared plus 4n plus 3 equal to 2n squared plus 4n plus 4 plus 2n squared plus 5n plus 5. So at this place, I will collect like terms. If I collect like terms, I will have 5n squared plus 4n plus 3 is equal to 2n plus 2n is 4n squared plus 4 plus 5 is 9n plus 4 plus 5 here is 9. This will give me 5n squared minus 4n plus 4n minus 9n plus 3 minus 9 all equal to 0. So this will give me 5 minus 4 is n squared minus 4 minus 9 is 5n minus 3 minus 9 is 6 equal to 0. Of course, this is in form of an algebraic equation. So I'm going to factorize this. I'm going to look for two numbers that if I add together, I will have the middle term. And if I multiply together, I will have the last term. And that number is minus 6 plus 1 will give me minus 5, and minus 6 times 1 will give me minus 6. So I'm going to take the upper part. So I have n squared minus 6n plus n minus 6 equal to 0. So if I separate them, I will have n into n minus 6 plus 1 into n minus 6 equal to 0. So that n minus 6 plus into n plus 1 is equal to 0. And that will give me n minus 6 equal to 0, or sorry, n plus or n plus 1 equal to 0. So my n is equal to 6, or n is equal to -1. So in this case, the base cannot be a negative number. So our n will be is equal to what? 6. N we always assume a positive number. So our n, what this simply means is that these numbers that are here are all in base 6. So we write it as 5, 4, 3 in base 6 is the same thing as 2, 4, 4 in base 6 plus 2, 5, 5 in base 6. So I believe the question was very interesting. So you solve this for me and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you, and see you in the next class of our tutorials. Thank you.